college degree leading to highest paying AI career in 2026. If you want a high paying job in artificial intelligence aim to grow your math and computer science skills, they matter more than your specific major or degree. Still learning about AI and studying subjects like design, neuroscience and philosophy can gain useful insight and make you to more adaptable in field that value of flexibility. When deciding where to go to school, don't focus on college and university rankings as much as on courses, research, assess, and internship prospects. The college merit you can use today could determine whether you thrive in get left behind by the AI economy. Since the ChatGPT launched in 2022, the biggest wage gain have gone to a worker in AI exposed jobs according to a Stanford University and the World Bank study. Those building and guiding AI system are landing some of the economic fastest growing roles, with median salaries topping $135,000. Math and computer science skill and always helpful, said engage Snickley and the professor and the AI researcher at New York University Tendon School of Engineering. But in the future, a powerful combination will be understanding AI deeply enough to avoid making mistake while also having a real experience expertise in another domain. Do not expect to find a single AI degree that meets all your needs. Instead, experts suggest building technical influence in AI while also focusing on the field of your choice, whether you're robotics, design, economics, and the philosophy. But the why want to talking an insider. Pros often refer to non-AI fields as domain. Best degree if you are looking to land a job in AI. Everyone from a high student and their parents to those considering the mid-career shift have found themselves have their eyeballs. Everyone from high students and their parents and to those considering a mid-career shift have found with themselves up to their eyeballs in ads for a new AI major and certificates programs. The chat below simplifies that landscape, showing which degrees are asked by the employer in job ads and the emerging gateway into the field. Each row is the table above represents a different path can you lead to an AI related career. Some like computer science or data science are BBS, others such as cognitive cognitive science, linguistics, design, and philosophy show how deeply interdisciplinary AI is. What matters most is not title of your degree. Uh, Vinitsky Vinitsky said that the mix of the skill in bits, math, and coding are understanding the technology plus knowledge of a field that interests you can use apply the knowledge of real world problem. Look closely and you will notice that almost by every successful path is built on top of broad foundation consisting of such things as